Hey everybody, welcome back. Oh shit, week 8. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Photography. We are in week 8. Can't believe we're almost done with the first quarter of school this year. Looking at our week, we are going to be talking about simplifying. So in our photos, we have been consistently, oh, that's your pen. Hey everybody, welcome back to Digital Photography. We are in week 8. Can't believe we're winding down the first quarter. So looking at this week, we're going to have a little bit of practice on simplifying, talking about how simplifying your photos can enhance your photos. Then we're moving on to talking about compositional framing. This is something that we talked about briefly when we discussed composition, but now we're going to focus on actually the framing component of a composition and how we can use that in our photos. So there is a lesson there introducing that to you and discussing it with you. And then there is a project for you to go ahead and go out and create your own compositional framing. Hope this week is fun for you. Feel free to check back on any old assignments, resubmit anything if need be, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I will be unavailable until next Wednesday. I will be out of cell phone reception, but I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Take care.